Hey guys, this is Layla Malgosa doing Mission Activity 11. The Rosetta mission is what I chose, and this is the Rosetta spacecraft. So the Rosetta mission, this is it launching and opening up. So the Rosetta mission was a 10-year mission. It's the first mission in history to rendezvous with a comet, escort it as it orbits around the sun, and deploy a lander to its surface. During its journey to the comet, the spacecraft flew by Mars and two other asteroids, 2867 Steins in 2008 and 21 Lutetia in 2010. The purpose of this mission was to catch the comet 67P, to observe its nucleus and come from close range, and to observe the changes associated with the change in seasons as the comet leaves the inner solar system on its outbound leg. So the Rosetta was built by the European Space Agency and was launched on March 2nd, 2004 and arrived on August 6, 2014. So where is Rosetta? And it is right here. As you can see, the red mark is showing how it orbits. Alright, and then the data collected. After meeting up with the icy satellite, the spacecraft began a 2-year study of the comet's nucleus and environment, observing how a frozen comet changes as it approaches the heat of the sun. Rosetta is named for the Rosetta Stone, a block of black basalt that was inscribed with a royal decree in 3 languages. The mission included a Philae lander, which made the first touchdown on the comet. It didn't stay down. Philae bounced twice before landing. And on September 30th, 2016, the Rosetta made a planned final plunge into the comet, ending its mission. So this is the comet that they were on the mission for, and this is a closer view of inside the comet. And yes, the Rosetta mission was successful because it went from point A to point B, gathered the information needed, and captured some images as well. So to me and online, it's successful. And this is my reference.